Hi all. So today I want to discuss about sets in Python versus list. So let's see what is this. So let's see the introduction first. Here the Python provides a powerful programming language that offers several built-in data structures to store and manage collections of data efficiently. So these structures help organize, retrieve, and also manipulate data based on different needs. And here the second point is nothing but two commonly used structures are sets and list. That means among the various data structures, list and sets are two of the most commonly used because they allow flexible storage and retrieval of data. Okay, next one. What is a set in Python? A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. So it having a unique elements and unordered collection. Next, here we use the flower braces and here we use set function to define a set. So it does not allow duplicate values and here is an example. So this is the set. Now let's see what is a list in Python. A list is an unordered collection of elements, but it allows the duplicate values. And also we can define by using the square braces and also we can use the list function to define list. So here is an example of list. Now we have to go with key differences. What are the key differences between set and list? So here are the futures. And here the order is an unordered in set. And also in list we have ordered. In set we have duplicate values are allowed and here the list duplicates. Sorry. Here in set not allowed the duplicates. In list, it allows the duplicates. And also set we have mutable and here list is also mutable. And next one, here it does not support indexing, but in list it supported indexing. And the next one is performance. In set, we have the fast for lookups and in list we have slow lookup for. And next one is here we are converting sets and list. So we are converting the sets and list. So first one, we are converting list to set. That means we are removing duplicates also. And second one, we are converting set to list. So let's see practically how it implemented. So here I'm taken a list and here I'm converting list to set and after I am printing the set. Now let's see here in list I taken duplicate values. So let's see how it get an output. So here we get an output as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means here we have duplicate values and it will be removed. Now let's see another one. So here we are converting a set to list. Here we are converting list to set. And here we are converting set to list. Now let's see how it. So this is the output which we generated. So now let's see the summary. Here we have sets are the best for unique elements and fast lookups. And also second one is lists are best for ordered data with duplicates. So thank you.